1 apple, 2 apples falling from the tree. A is for the apple, tasty and shiny to see. 3 apples, 4 apples rolling on the floor. B is for the bubble, floating out the door. Count the apples as they fall. 1, 2, 3, 4,